Good evening everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about the topic hazards in silk and wool industry. So what is mean by this hazards? It means continuously if you are working in a silk industry or even in a wool industry, so what are all the problems we human beings they are just affected by what are all the different problems. So that is what we are going to discuss in today's class. So on the page number what we are going to see is page number 88. Okay, so here if we see hazards in silk and wool industry, so when they are working in continuously in a silk industry or even in a wool industry, okay, what it happens, so for example if you take a silk industry, mostly in silk industries continuously when they are working, they will be caused by various injuries means while operating that different instruments, they may be just getting injured, or even that health damage means what kind of health damage they may just come to know means mostly that skin injuries, even that respiratory problems. Okay, these are all the major problems, and also that back pain continuously because they want to stand and they want to work in that place. So that's what the main back pain, and also mostly that skin injuries, and even that arthritis. So all these are the major diseases what those people they will face it in a silk industry. And also main disease what it is caused is anthrax, which is caused by a bacterium called bacillus anthracis. So this was the bacterium which is responsible for the disease anthrax. So here if you are just getting this disease means what are all the symptoms we will come to know. The people what are all the symptoms they come to know is either it may be cough, continuous cough, or fever, even the breathing problems, the trouble in breathing, they will feel the difficulty in breathing. Okay, that normal breathing it will be not there, that is what feeling difficulty in breathing. And also like vomiting in such a way there will be what many distractions it will be there in their normal life itself. Okay, that is what, because they want to stand in a whole industry for complete day, they want to stand and continuously. We know that if a silk, it means minute dust particles, whenever continuously it is just moving inside our lungs, what it happens, obviously that breathing problems it may occur. Okay, and then the next one it is the treatments, whatever it can be just given as a treatment to control these diseases means the first thing it is penicillin. Okay, or that vaccine ciprofloxacin it can be given to control the anthrax and the various diseases. Okay, this is the first one. And then what we want to do, that animal vaccination, it means from that animals also, even human beings we can get some diseases. So that's what, that animals it should be vaccinated properly and it should not be just affected by any diseases. That is next. And then the next one it is hygienic environment. What is meant by this hygienic environment? Who is responsible for this? So the employee who is just managing everything, he is responsible for that place. That is what he want to provide a good environment for the workers. Okay, that a place it should be clean, and it should be ventilation it should be there. It means proper airflow it should be there, and even that place it should be cleaned properly, and that animal waste and dead animals everything it should be cleaned then and there. That is what this is maintaining that hygienic environment. That also it should be provided for the workers properly. So these are all the main treatment methods for these diseases. And the next one what if we are going to see is it is about ahimsa silk. What does they mean by this ahimsa silks? Ahimsa means peace. Okay, that is what the another name of that ahimsa silk it is peace silk. Okay, that is what peace silk, this is another name of this ahimsa silk. What is the motivation of this silk means it is nothing but in the year 1992 that silk production it should be done without killing that what worms. Because in the last class we have studied that if we want to produce a silk means how it will be produced, we want to kill that cocoons whatever it is inside, it should be killed by inserting them in the hot water. Okay, after that empty cocoons it will be taken and thread it will be taken from that. That is what we have studied. So the main motivation of this ahimsa silk is it is nothing but that worms it should not be killed. Okay, by naturally method they want to hatch their eggs. After that it will be empty, the cocoons it will be automatically empty. After that only we want to just take a thread from that. This is the main motivation of this ahimsa silk for what it is just produced. Okay, and then the questions what you are going to learn and write is question number 27. Explain the hazards in silk industry. So in silk industry what are all the hazards it is there, what are all the different diseases people they are getting affected, and also the treatment for these diseases. So including that you want to write. And then question number 28, write about ahimsa silk. So what is this ahimsa silk, what is the main motivation of this ahimsa silk, everything you want to write down. Okay.